Good evening to all present here. I am Dr. K. Kangan, Assistant Professor, Department of Cyber Security. Today we are discussing about what is the case study ransom attacks on a college management system. First of all, many attackers is going to in social media, whatever cloud, whatever attacks is going to see about in our problem in college management system. In this application, is the problem is the how to internal marks and also attendance the attacks for the ransom. Because of many of the faculty members and principals we are using in website applications. That time we have using in more than security lacking problem because of lot of the username and password we are sharing to another people. So that time easily we can attach from the internal marks and attendance from the faculty members, in a particular staff members. So how to problem we can identification for this in this case study. The first one we have discussed about what is the phishing email. Because of lot of email we are having in a particular college system, that time easily we can the clicking from some other attackers, easily we can doing all the data we can access and tracking from the phishing email of the system. Then next one is malicious software. The malicious software is one of the software we have using in particular software we have accessing from not updated from your system, not updated for your application. That time easily we can including from this malicious attachment. This is the problem I have identification. Then I given the identification, how to identification for this in this application. The first of all is cyber security team. We have identification for cyber security team. They are going to first is lack of email security awareness. Because of the many of the people we are accessing in the weakness of your password. Because of for example, I give an example. The 123 I set the password to 123. Easily we can identification for the attackers. Then there is a major impact of the lack of email security awareness. Next one is no proper backup. Because of many of the databases, we have stored all the data information. The properly it cannot be stored in data applications. So that is one of the major problem. Next one is the outdated antivirus software system. Because of the many of the software antivirus software you put your system in a particular applications. So that time the antivirus is not activated from the within weeks and a month. It is a 15 days only we have activated. The outdated of the antivirus of your system easily we can attain from your application. That is one of the major one. Next one is no network segmentation. The network segmentation is a problem is the time and server. The request and response time easily we can attain for your system. That is the main reason. Then we can next one is IP address. We have shared your IP address. Because of all the applications user, we can system IP address we can share with other people. That time easily we can hack it from your system. That is one of the reason. The network no network segmentation. Next one is weak of incident response plan. Because of many of the people is request from your application, the response is very short and weak. So there is one of the weak and incident response plan given by the intruders. Okay, there is a identification from the investigation from the your cyber security team. So after that, how to recover your applications. Okay, this is next one is it is the impact. How to create your impact. That is means the loss of academic data. Because of the attack from all the data information for your particular application. For example, our institution, okay, particular application maintaining. That time the introduces all the application attack from the single hardware disk. That time the lack of all the academic data. It is one of the impact. Next one is the delay in internal assessment. Because of the particularly the faculty members is going to properly put the paper after that. Okay, we collect all the papers. Going to internal mark is given the marks after uploaded for your data information in particular student. That time the lack of system delay, so this internal assessment is not properly given by the upload your system. That time is lacking of the internal assessment. Next one is the problem is how to create it because of student and faculty members. So we have the test because of why? Because of lot of the working users from the student and faculty members. That time the gapping from the student and faculty members, they start updated for your system, not updated for your antivirus. It is the main major of this problem. Next one is the solution. Given the solution is the immediate response is very important because of the request. That time the whatever mode we have using in our website in this cloud, that time the response time is very important because of lot of problem we have occurred. The immediate response is like so. That is one of the solution. Next one is we have technical security measures. We have identification for your security technically you have supported for all the security purposes because of lot of security you have known. It is encrypted for your data and decryption for your data, and also the blockchain technology is one of the security. This purpose easily we can all the data it should be contained, all the applications should be the contained. That time easily we can identification what hackers is going to attacks from your website applications. Easily we can identification. So many of the technical awareness we have created, but I have a two solution. Technically, who will the strong for your application, who will the develop for your application, who will strong and using for your application. Next one is the immediate response is very important. First you are attacking for your system, easily going to the cyber security crime team. Intimate for all the information, easily get collected for all the information and secure for your application. That is the main measure of the ransomware application, how to recover for your application. Okay, thank you and thank you. Okay, next one is question is evaluate please. What are the attacks on your particular product management system?
In ransomware attack, they mostly attack the internal marks and that is the main purpose. So they can use the phishing attack to attack the email.
Attack the email is one of the concepts. Actually, it's ransomware. The ransomware attack is one of the reasons. Easily you can use for your system. Okay, thank you. So, next one is what are the cyber security issues identified? Cyber security.
Lack of email security.
Okay. Next one is no proper backup. It is not given that no proper backup. Next one is outdated antivirus we are using. It's not updated for the antivirus. The previous antivirus application we are using, that time easily we can attack for your applications. This is one of the reasons. Next one is what is the impact of attack? What is the impact?